Here it is, adjustable lower control arm, and then the tow arms. Beautiful. Hopefully they fit right. They're True Heart. Pretty good reviews about this. I guess we'll find out. Super hard finding parts for this car. And guys, finally we got all the True Heart pieces on. It took quite a bit of while, but we finally managed to get it done. Both sides are done. Looks very clean. I am ordering new rotors for the rear. The front, probably not, but the rear actually look a lot worse than the front. I have some other goodies that are supposedly coming in the mail soon. Just a hint, we might be getting rid of these, but we'll see. We'll see how everything matches up. All right, guys, so look at this sway bar, guys. Look at this sway bar. We have the white line adjustable sway bar right here, and then this little itty bitty thing right here. Guys, what is this? On a Forester, a heavy car like this needs something as beautiful as this white line sway bar. We also got rear end links. Beautiful white line rear end links. Lovely, lovely, sturdy. But guys, this is you, and this is the guy she tells you not to worry about. So let's throw this baby on. I think I have to reuse these from the old sway bar, so I'm gonna do that. If anyone can guess what thickness this sway bar is, I will give you a $20 Subi Speed gift card. All right, if you can guess what thickness this sway bar is, I will give you a $20 gift card. And just like that, guys, the thick boy is on. The thick boy is on. So we got the True Heart trailing arm. We got the True Heart tow arm, True Heart lower control arm, white line sway bar, and white line end link, guys. So what I decided to do was I actually ordered white line front end links as well. They haven't arrived yet, but yeah, that's something I'll do off camera. Really appreciate you for tuning in. This was a lot of work, and a lot of it was not anticipated. I had to kind of think ahead a little bit, just from things that I've experienced with the WRX. I know, you know, alignment issues are gonna come up, so I need to have that adjustability. Anyways, really excited. I really want to take this car up into the mountains once we move to Georgia, and yes, we are moving to Georgia. And guys, just remember, again, every journey is different, so make your own. Guys, if you want to see some more things on this Forester, I have a couple videos, so check out this playlist. But guys, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you.